Per favore, un piatto di penne all'arrabbiata, ma mi raccomando che siano all'arrabbiata, non solo piccanti. E speriamo che Piatto questa volta mi fa mangiare delle penne all'arrabbiata come dico io.
Okay, let's make a penne arrabbiata that won't disappoint Italian grandma Lulu. Here's a quick look at the ingredients for this dish, which translates to Angry Penne in English. And we'll find out why in a minute. We start with the garlic, 2 or 3 cloves. If you like garlic as we do, follow along as we puree with the chili pepper. Otherwise, you can keep it whole and you will infuse the oil with a whole garlic cloves. And here is the start of the show. Chili pepper, ladies and gentlemen, and habanero chili pepper. We have selected an habanero because Grandma Lulu is right. Penne Arrabbiata shouldn't just have a little kick, it should be truly spicy. It's not called irritated penne, it's called angry penne after all. And by angry, we mean hot as hell. Now, to extract as much spice from this little beast as we can, we have found that a pepper puree works best. Well, of course, you can substitute an habanero with dried chili pepper to taste if you prefer. The important thing is to know the level of spice and add enough to give justice to the name. Alright, we'll set this aside for a minute and get our tomatoes ready. We're making our tomato sauce from whole canned tomatoes or fillets if you can find them. You can use crushed tomatoes, but they will never be as sweet as whole canned. All we have to do here is remove the watery liquids and seeds from inside the whole tomatoes, and now we're just going to crush them with our hands to make them pulpy. We just want to make sure the pulpy consistency is there. And here we are. Look at this. Beautiful, and they smell so fresh. Okay, a few pinches of salt and our tomatoes are ready. It is time now to prepare the sauce. We start by covering the bottom of a skillet with our oil, garlic and pepper puree. By the way, if you didn't puree the garlic as we did, now is the time to add the whole cloves to the pepper oil. All we're doing here, after all, is just a soffritto. In other words, we saute our garlic and chili pepper with olive oil, which is exactly what soffritto is, infusing the oil with the flavors we have added. Alright, medium heat for about a minute and everything should be ready. As soon as you start to smell the garlic and pepper fragrance, that's it, you're there. It's time to add the tomatoes. Okay, so we adjust to medium-low heat and we reduce the sauce for about 20 minutes. At around 10 minutes, you can start boiling your penne according to the package instructions. And yes, you do need penne rigate precisely. Perfect. Time to taste. The level of spice is perfect, but we do need a little bit more salt. If you need an extra kick of spice, add a pinch of your favorite dried chili pepper at this time. And if you added the whole cloves of garlic, this is also the time to remove them. Tube pasta like penne rigatoni really hugs the sauce inside and out. It's the perfect choice here. And yes, the pasta is so happy to be hugged by such a spicy partner. Good. Time to plate. What do you say? We give Grandma Lulu an extra big portion? And yes, let's prepare a little glass of milk for Grandma Lulu. In fact, milk is the only agent that can put out the fire once we begin eating a penne arrabbiata. And our penne arrabbiata are very angry indeed. A sprinkle of parsley to top it all off. And let's get it to the table.
finalmente! E perché mi porti via il vino, il latte? E che ci faccio col latte, lo gatto? Oh, ecco! Forse ho capito perché. Mm. Mm. Ah. Mm. Queste sì che sono l'arrabbiata! Buonissime
And don't forget to subscribe to Piatto recipes and to let us know in the comments how spicy your Penne Arrabbiata turned out.
Oh, iscrivetevi a Piatto, Le sanno fa benissimo.